The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines rhetorical as a relating to or concerned with the art of speaking or writing, formally and effectively, especially as a way to persuade or influence people. This segment of my capstone illustrates the rhetorical knowledge outcomes consisting of these 9 principles. The artifacts I chose were completed in TWC 301, General Principles of Multimedia Writing, and TWC 443, Proposal Writing. My focus for the TWC 301 artifact was a quick reference card for senior citizens to access and use the Phoenix Public Library's online catalog. I consider the varying depths of knowledge of senior citizens in regards to using a computer and searching the internet. I needed to adapt and understand my audience's specific needs, as well as assume appropriate tone and focus on a defined purpose in order to create a functional card. My rough drafts are where I built upon the outcomes I was trying to achieve. I used Microsoft Publisher as a tool to build this card where much iteration took place. Since my audience may have a difficult time viewing the content, I used a sans serif font, Arial Narrow, to keep the letters sharp and clean. I opted to use a bold type font for the steps to make the words more apparent for my audience. I included a contrasting background with a soft gray tint and integrated screenshots with annotated circles and arrows to help clarify the written steps. The screenshots only contained information pertinent to the action it was referencing. I actually tested this card on my father to see how responsive he would be with following the instructions. Luckily, he was successful. This next artifact was completed in TWC 443, Proposal Writing. I responded to a request for proposal, RFP, from the Hidalgo Medical Systems in southwestern New Mexico, which was reducing disparities in diabetes in a Hispanic community. To build upon the defined purpose of the RFP, I completed a strategy plan to outline the key points. The strategy plan helped me to respond properly to the rhetorical situation, as well as define potential issues I may be faced with. Next, I created a storyboard. This is where I detailed the requirements of the RFP and how I would construct my proposal with formatting, syntax, and structure. I drafted each section of the storyboard with multiple colors to highlight the requirements of each unit in the RFP. I used my strategy plan and storyboards to draft my final proposal, and also using my textbook, Proposal Writing Rules, The Art of Friendly and Winning Persuasion. This later helped me shape the writing for my executive summary, as well as maintaining the appropriate level of formality. After several revisions and feedback from my instructor and peers, I finalized my proposal, adhering to the needs of my audience, as well as developing a responsive and persuasive tone.